Introducing TNA's Home Security Control Panel. Before use, connect the alarm control panel to a power source and turn on the backup battery switch on the back of the device. Connect the alarm control panel to the Smart Life mobile app. Open the Smart Life app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Tap Add Device, enter your Wi-Fi password, then tap Next to complete the connection. Once the device is successfully added, you can remotely control and monitor the alarm system via the app. Away arming. The alarm host is in the monitoring state. When the accessory is triggered, the alarm host will sound an alarm. Home arming. When the user is at home, certain areas can be monitored and alarmed in this mode. Disarming. The alarm host cancels the monitoring status, and the alarm is only triggered by the SOS button or by an accessory that has been set to 24 hours active. SOS. In case of emergency, click the SOS button to contact the emergency contact person to send out alarm information. Adding front-end devices to the alarm host. To add smoke detector, CO detector. Door contacts, infrared detector, remote controllers or RFID cards. Enter the main menu on the alarm host. Select Sensor. Tap the plus icon. Then tap Enter to confirm. Subsequently trigger the corresponding front-end device to complete the pairing process. After successful pairing, you can directly edit and rename the device within the Smart Life app for easier identification and management. The wireless alarm control panel provides stable and reliable protection for daily security management through intuitive and efficient operation.